Hi there, Jonathan Emmanuel here. I just want to do this very short video to show you how you can change your WordPress access. I'm going to be editing this video after all because I need to hide some details so you don't get it. Pardon my voice, I'm having some cracked voice. Okay, so let's say I want to sign in. I'll go to my PHP my admin. You want to change your WordPress password. Let's say you've forgotten the password. You look at where you have PHP my admin. Just scroll through. It's somewhere in your CPanel. Fortunately, I'm not thinking straight, so I can't even remember the exact place where it is. But it should be around your database area. Yeah, that's it. PHP my admin. So when you go to PHP my admin, you'll see all the database you've ever created on your site. So what you simply do is you choose the particular one, the WordPress database you want to change the password, and then you go down to users. I think my network is slowing me down, so let's just read a little for it. Let's see what we okay. So you check here, I have a lot of them, so let me just go to this particular one. When it loads, all I need to do is to locate where we have users. You should have users. I can locate the users here. This is users, or I can still look the same thing. It's somewhere here if you scroll down. So let me just go to users. Whatever the domain, the database name, just make sure that it is underscore users. So you can now see the users here. You see the database user login, and this is the password. So you click on edit here. When you click on edit, if you want to change the name, you can change it, or you leave it as it is. Then here you have user pass. You take here to MD5. You erase this, and then you put whatever you want to use as your password. Once you do that, you say go, and that's how to change your password. Just try it. If you have any questions, drop it on my page or in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with people who may need it. I'm still Jonathan Emmanuel.